scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Printing an array list in reverse order is a classic coding challenge that you can master quickly by following these 3 simple logical steps right now. To print an array list in reverse, we must start at the very last valid index, which is always the size of the list minus 1, so we initialize k that way. The loop must continue while our index k is greater than or equal to 0 to ensure we visit every single element, including the first one at index 0, without stopping. Finally, we decrement k each iteration to move backwards through the list. Choice D matches this logic perfectly, making it our final winner. Well done! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rush. Trust given and check steps for option D.